Hello, beautiful Pisces. I hope you're doing very well, and I'm very glad to share this reading with you. This is going to be for the month of December, your relationship with your partner or the relationships you are sharing right now around you, the kind of energies you're inviting from the universe because of your own manifestation process, and which area, which week looks like a little stronger for you, and which one looks like a little, on a downside, where you should avoid taking any relationship related decisions, or how your partner is treating you in the month of December. So let's get ahead and see the cards. And while I'm flipping cards for you, I would like to share my contact numbers with you, wherein you can reach me easily for your personalized readings. So call me on 8448901791, telegram me on 844889011791, and email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. Visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. So let's get ahead, Pisces. Pisces, the relationship you have right now with your partner is a very close relationship. The card is so beautiful. You are so engrossed in this relationship that the nature itself is, envious of you. You have a soulmate in your life. But then what went wrong? And what is going wrong here? You're overthinking. Now what is happening? See? There is nothing wrong in this relationship. Everything is fine, but you can't believe it that universe has given you something so beautiful, and you keep on doubting that. Maybe you're doubting your partner, that is he true to you, or you keep on spying on the partner, and you keep on thinking that maybe he will, or she will also be like a cheater, or the relationship will not turn out that way that you wanted. It is all here, Pisces. You are getting diverted from your life because of your own thinking, and you yourself will spoil the relationship because of overthinking. So stop doubting your partner. It is not required, trust me. And overthinking might spoil this beautiful loving relationship. So please check yourself and see, just knock and see, hey, what's there which is bothering me. Evaluate that. That's very important for you. On a serious note, the relationship has no problems in it overall if I look at it, but your overthinking might spoil it. And it's like a zigzag situation. So look at these swords. They're all tangled with each other. Look at it. The way we tangle our fingers like this, these are like tangled like this. They're actually like this. So this is going to create problems also in your life, like those verbal conflicts, when you're fighting with your partner and without no reason, and later you will realize, why the hell did I really have this conversation also, and why did we really have this argument? It was not even required. You will realize it, but then there's no use of having a repenting your arguments when you could have stopped it. So please apply this there. Okay. Second week is about someone coming from your past and trying to hurt you badly, Pisces. So beautiful, and that emotional water sign is going to get hurt by someone like a past energy. This person is very aggressive, immature in nature. He lacks maturity. When these kind of people actually come into your life, or they try to impact your life or hurt you, they don't apply brains. They only apply what? They only apply, brain and heart. Both are not applied by these people. They, I don't know, work from where, which organ, and their core motive is, just hurt the person. And later they might realize it also, that why did I do that or so. But then they will never repent. The energy is so that they don't really repent it. They're very aggressive, full of ego. You rejected their proposal, you left them, and then they are revengeful right now. They want to hurt you, and that's the energy what I see. They might impact you financially also, though. This relationship thing is impacting your finances also. You need to be very careful in that perspective also. Don't trust people. Don't give your checkbook to anyone. A signed check is there in the checkbook. Check it properly, and don't give your passwords of net banking also, to anyone. Or if you had shared with your ex-partner, the time has come that you please change your passwords, because he or she is going to hit you very hard, very hard, everywhere, all areas of life. So be away from this energy. This kind of people, they don't have future themselves, and then they don't want people also to have future with anyone else. This immature energy doesn't grow, and they will not let you grow. They work like this, they have one target in front of them. They don't look here and there, and then their main motive, main objective is to hurt you, and you have to protect yourself. That's your responsibility, right? Moving ahead to the third week, Pisces, and third week is all about giving to people, receiving love, giving love. Third week is very positive for you, December. Third week is very nice thing. You will have a lot of people approaching you to get help, taking your advice emotionally about their relationships, and you will act like that old wise man who's sitting right there, that agony aunt who's there to give you all the advices. So you are going to be that person in the month of December. A lot of friends are going to approach you for their relationship issues. So and you're going to give good advices also. I will not say, and I'm not saying you give immature advices. At least you're better than this person. I had shown you. You're going to be acting very smart, very beautiful, and you will be saving people's relationships. So that's a wonderful thing about you. Also, you yourself, while you're helping people, you yourself will realize while doing it that the kind of relationship you want for yourself, or the kind of relationship you want with your existing partner, you will improve things with your partner. You will also give few beautiful things to your partner, few beautiful emotional moments to your partner, which is going to improve your relationship very well. And since I told you that there's a person who's eyeing your happiness, your peace in life, the same person might be keeping a check on you on social media accounts, or maybe he stays in your neighborhood, or he is keeping a check on you. So please protect your privacy well. I will again say, protect your privacy well. Change your password, make your profile like private from public. Don't show your pictures and publish your pictures to people who are not friends with you. I will say, protect yourself. Again, protect yourself, because someone is eyeing your life, your relationship. You're working very hard on your own life, and I'm sure you would not want that to be disturbed by anyone. That's what my suggestion is to you, Pisces. Okay, commitment is coming your way, no matter what this person is doing with you, no matter what you think. Your relationship is going to reach here. It looks like beautiful card. It's a commitment card. Commitment card will come. Commitment will come your way. Marriage is on cards. Engagement is there on card. You might buy a new house. You will decide onto the place you would want to stay at, and or you will be a part of a marriage or ceremony, or some religious holy ceremony in the family. So that's beautiful. I will quickly pull a card for you now, which is your what? This is your relationship deck, and I am pulling cards here for your relationship, and see what energies am I getting for you in the month of December 2020, wherein one advice which comes from angels which you should follow here. Oh. Okay, we have love is never in vain. When you give love to someone, when you have given beautiful moments to someone, when you have given that support to someone, and you even forget about it, the person can never forget it. I remember, I'll give you one example, my personal example. There was a lady in my when I was carrying my baby, and then I was in my that pregnancy time. There was a girl, there was a very senior person in my organization who was at a very senior level than me, and she used to go in the same cab, office cab. She used to drop me toward till my workstation, carrying my laptop bag, and dropping me there. It's been a lot of years now. Till date, whenever I see her anywhere, whenever I see her name anywhere, I bless her, I give her blessings. I can't forget that time, that love what she had given me. She was a beautiful person, she is a wonderful person, and I still feel that wherever she is, wherever she goes, she will blossom like anything. I give her those blessings. Same way, when you give love to someone, when I receive love from someone, we tend to give it back, and that's what you will get. Give unconditional love, and you will receive unconditional love from people. Okay, take care, guys. God bless you. Be happy, be nice to people around you, and enjoy your month of December to the most. Okay, take care. Bye.